Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best RV mount is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any RV enthusiast who wants to stay connected on the road. Setting up your satellite dish correctly is essential for enjoying seamless internet access, whether you're parked at a campsite or exploring remote areas. This video will explore the best mounting solutions available, ensuring you can enjoy reliable connectivity wherever your adventures take you. Number 5. FlagPole Buddy Starlink Gen 2 RV Ladder Mount Kit. Tired of climbing? This kit lets you angle the dish from the ground. It's designed for easy setup and use. With this system, you can adjust the dish from the ground. This makes it safer and more convenient to get the best signal. The 2-inch aluminum pole is lightweight and rust-resistant. Additional pole sections are available to customize the height. The mount can also be used for other flagpoles up to 2 inches in diameter. It's a versatile solution for various needs. The bottom cup mount sets about 5 feet off the ground. Combined with the pole and dish, it reaches approximately 14 feet high. Featuring a unique, patent-pending rocket ship adapter. This innovative design enhances the system's functionality. Please note that this product is not intended for use while vehicles are in motion. Ensure it's securely set up when stationary. What we like. This kit lets you adjust your dish from the ground, saving you from climbing the ladder. It's lightweight and rust-resistant, ensuring it lasts through all your adventures. If you value ease of use and safety, this is the perfect choice for your RV setup. What people say. After a full day in the moderate 10 miles per hour winds, the Starlink was still standing, and that's exactly what I was hoping for. The flagpole was 2 inches thick versus other 1-inch poles. The attachments to the RV ladder were also thick and seemed durable. It's easy to disassemble and store. They sell accessories to this kit in case I lose them. Happens more often than I'd like. Easy to install on ladder of motorhome and seems very secure and sturdy. Gets the Starlink dish off the ground with less chance of any damage being done to it. Easy to take dish and pull down while mount can stay attached to ladder while traveling. Number 4. EEZ RV Starlink and Flagpole Mount, fits 1.0 ladder rails. Introducing the EEZ RV Starlink and Flagpole Mount. This mount is designed to securely hold your Starlink or flagpoles on your RV. It offers a variety of options, including 1-inch, 1.5-inch, and 1-inch square tube ladder rails. This ensures it fits a wide range of RV ladder types. The mount features a strong, lightweight construction. It's built to withstand the elements while remaining easy to handle and install. The system adjusts to all size poles up to 2.5 inches. It can be installed on either the left or right side of your ladder, offering flexibility. This mount is designed for quick and easy installation. You can have it mounted on your RV's ladder in no time. What we like. This mount offers a strong, lightweight construction that's easy to install on your RV ladder. It's designed to fit various ladder rail sizes, making it a versatile option. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and adaptable mounting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Far better than the under-tire pole holder I had. Works perfectly, easy to install. People regularly ask me where I got the mount while camping. Using it to hold the Starlink ground pole with Gen 2 dishy. The SL pole is stout and heavy but has the dishy adapter built in. Mount is made of machined aluminum and fit my ladder perfectly snug. Number 3. EEZ RV 10 feet telescopic pole with Starlink adapter kit. Introducing the EEZ RV antenna pole system. This telescopic pole is designed for easy setup and use, perfect for your RV adventures. The pole extends up to 10 feet but collapses to 46 inches for easy storage. You can adjust it to any height you need, and it locks securely with a twist. Made from strong and lightweight aluminum alloy, it's built to last. The 16-gauge aluminum tube is rust-proof and ensures stability. The included bracket easily mounts to your RV ladder. It fits various pole sizes up to 2.5 inches and can be installed on either side of the ladder. The kit includes the 10-foot aluminum pole and the ladder mounting bracket. We offer a 60-day warranty for your satisfaction, and the adapter is patent pending. What we like. This telescopic pole extends to 10 feet, giving you optimal height for your Starlink. It's made of strong, lightweight aluminum and is quick to install. If you need a flexible, easy-to-adjust solution for your RV, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The adjustable pole is 2 inches diameter and a simple twist allows it to slide and lock into desired position. The adapter that slides into the antenna is quality metal, and while it is very secure when in place, it's also easy to remove when transporting our RV to a new location. Metal and solid, there was just a tiny bit of wiggle on the front edge where it snaps into the Starlink Series 3, so I put one strip of electrical tape across this bracket and it snapped in very snug. The solid aluminum brackets are very sturdy and hold a great telescoping pole excellent. I just twist the pole before installing it in the bracket so it wraps the cable around it, holding it in place nicely. Number 2. Starlink Mount Gen 2 with Pipe Adapter. This Starlink mount offers a portable and versatile way to set up your dish. It can be easily attached to various surfaces, making it ideal for poles, roofs, RVs, and outdoor use. The pipe adapter undergoes an electrophoresis process, ensuring it's both anti-corrosive and rust-proof. This means it can withstand the elements and protect your equipment from damage. This mount is built to withstand heavy winds, with a dish clamp capable of holding over 200 pounds. The design ensures your dish stays secure, even in challenging weather conditions. The kit utilizes machined aluminum clamps, providing double protection against slipping or loosening. The integrated design of the pipe adapter and mount adds an extra layer of security. Made from high-strength alloy, this mount is built to last. The strong connector securely holds your Starlink Roam dish in place, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This mount offers versatile mounting options for poles, roofs, or RVs. It's made with anti-corrosive materials, ensuring durability. If you need a sturdy and reliable mount that can handle various environments, consider this one. What people say. Excellent mount on my Allegro red ladder, makes for an easy place to put my dishy when parked, sturdy must and fit the dishy perfectly without crimping cable. Out of the box this mount feels sturdy and well made. Clamped right to our Jayco rear ladder and Starlink dish fit perfectly. This is a great item for mounting your Starlink on top of your RV opposed to leaving it on the ground. Does exactly what I needed. Number 1. Starlink Mini Mount Clamp and Accessories. This clamp is designed for the Starlink rectangular disc. It can secure the dish to various surfaces, such as RV ladders and boat extensions. The clamp mounts the rectangular disc horizontally or vertically. It's rated to hold over 200 pounds, ensuring stability even in strong winds. It uses machined aluminum clamps for double protection. Rubber pads on the claws prevent slipping and scratches, making it a very functional clamping mechanism. The clamp is made of extruded aluminum and attaches directly to the bottom of your rectangular disc. Make sure the dish can tilt, rotate, and stow without obstructions. While made of stainless steel and aluminum, it's not designed for long-term exposure to sea air. Your satisfaction is our priority. We provide quality after-sales service. Contact us with any questions, and our team will assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This clamp is designed specifically for the rectangular Starlink dish, offering a secure and sturdy mount. It's made with commercial-grade quality, ensuring it can withstand the elements. If you like a simple, reliable, and durable mounting solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Beefy build clamp, using what appears to be good materials. It also has a well-thought-out attachment design. I do like the cushion jaws, so as not mar the ladder rails upon clamping. The mount clamp is heavier than I expected, which is a good thing, and very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.